So in the last session, we had done how to estimate free cash flow to the firm. Now we are doing an extension to that, how we can use the free cash flow to the firm to arrive at business valuation. So if you see here, it is in this case, it's given that the estimate of free cash flow to the firm today is 1250 crores. And these cash flows are estimated to grow at an annual rate of 9% for 5 years and then 4% thereafter. Right? So what we will do now is we can, as I had mentioned, while we were doing the pricing for a single equity share, we can first plot the number of years and the free cash flows also. So for the first year, the free cash flow will be 9% higher than the previous year. And this is going to continue for how many years? This is going to continue till the end of the 5th year. Okay, I'll just pull up the screen. Now it's better. So these are your cash flows. Now we will plot the discounting factors, which is based on your weighted average cost plus capital. 1 by 1 plus r raised to the power of n. And now we will apply these discounting factors on the future cash flows to arrive at present values. Now, if you take a sum of this, you will get this is the valuation for which phase? This is the valuation for the first 5-year definitive period, right? You can also do this using the formula that I had told you in the case of single security valuation. That will be the first year free cash flow into 1 minus 1 plus growth rate divided by 1 plus weighted average cost of capital, the whole thing to the power of 5 years divided by WACC minus growth rate. Same value. The value that we got using the tabular method, the same value we have got by the formula that I had mentioned. As I had told you, you can do this alternative approach only during the definitive phase. Indefinite phase means there is no option, there is only one way. And that is to find out the terminal valuation. So the terminal value will be free cash flow at the end of the 6th year, which will be 4% higher than the 5th year divided by WACC minus G. So this should be your terminal valuation, 18,183 crores. Now we will use the same discounting factor and discount it to the present. And you will get the terminal valuation of 9,040 crores. Now this is the valuation of phase 2. Right? This one. So if you add both, you should arrive at the valuation of the business. which comes to be 14,378, 14,377.72. Is that okay? So basically for terminal valuation, you will take the free cash flow for the 6th year, which is 4% higher than the 5th year, divided by WACC minus G. And then discount this and get your terminal valuation. And add these two. This, my friends, will be your valuation of the business. So I want you people to view this as a natural extension to the last lecture, that first you estimate the free cash flow, then you forecast the cash flow within the forecasting period, and then you arrive at a terminal growth. And once you add the current value of both the phases, you will arrive at the business valuation. Okay. Thank you.